Let's see if it'll, how long it'll take to dry up there. Guys, look at my vest. Does it look clean? Because it is clean. It's the first time I've cleaned it, and the first time I've walked since cleaning it. Or, well, first time I've rucked since cleaning it. Oh yeah, we got these shoes on. Been a while since I've worn these because it's been wet, and I don't want to get any chlorine on them. And I've worn out my other barefoot shoes. So I guess it's time for a new pair. Anyways, I don't know why I haven't been rucking as much. Like, yeah, I'm more busy and more tired, but this is like my emotional support vest. And it like just feels good to wear it. It's not necessarily that hard, even though I got more than 50 pounds here. Whatever, I'm gonna be rucking till sunset. It's a nice place to see a sunset up here. I'll let y'all see it. Don't worry.